a golden line where the ocean sleeps, between the fire and the deep. I've been chasing light through broken days, learning calm in the drifting haze. The road ahead don't call my name, but I keep walking just the same. Every step becomes a prayer, every breath reminds me I'm still there. Far horizon, always near, calling mind.